Hi, Sarah and Angela from Fine & Country. You join us here today at the corner house on Greatheed Road, just behind Northumberland Avenue in North Leamington Spa.
This beautifully presented detached home is in a prime North Leamington location, close to the town centre and just a few minutes walk from Milton Primary School and Nursery.
The property offers open plan living space as well as 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a private courtyard garden and off-street parking. So come with us, let's take a look around.
We hope you've enjoyed the tour of this stunning home. For more information or if you'd like to arrange a viewing, please contact us on the details that follow.